Is it possible that an invasive species could topple an entire ecosystem? In the heart of Florida's Everglades, a battle unfolds. A battle against a slithering menace, the invasive python. In the midst of this ecological crisis, a figure emerges from the shadows, Amy Siwi, the indomitable python huntress. Armed with grit and determination, Amy and her team embark on a dangerous mission. A mission to restore the balance of nature. In the cover of darkness, they venture deep into the wilderness of South Florida, where danger lurks behind every corner. They confront formidable serpents, risking everything to capture and remove them from the delicate web of life. Triumph and tragedy intermingle in this high-stakes game of survival. The Florida Water Management District, too, plays a pivotal role in this epic struggle. They employ innovative strategies, harnessing cutting-edge technologies and launching bold expeditions into the Everglades. Their goal? To stem the tide of the python invasion. Then, there is the Florida Python Challenge, a thrilling competition where hunters worldwide converge for a shot at glory. With the promise of thousands of dollars in prize money, the competition is fierce, the stakes sky high. But this is not just a story of danger and competition, it's also a tale of ethical dilemmas. Hunters like Donna Khalil grapple with the moral complexities of their mission. The fight against the python invasion is multifaceted, involving both eradication and conservation efforts. This is the narrative of the Python Enigma, a story of courage, compassion, and conservation. A tale of humanity's struggle to preserve our planet's natural heritage for generations yet unborn.